You've tried the breathing exercises. You've downloaded the meditation apps. You've even repeated positive affirmations in the mirror. But that familiar tightness in your chest, it just keeps coming back. What if I told you that your anxiety isn't the enemy that you think it is? Hi, I'm Stacy, and I battled high-functioning anxiety for 30 years, guys. I had 2 nervous breakdowns, and those breakdowns, they became my biggest breakthroughs. Today, I'm sharing something most people don't understand about anxiety. It's why surface-level solutions just don't work, and what actually does. Let me guess. You always feel on alert. You're always waiting for the other shoe to drop. You know logically you're safe, but your body is just telling you a different story. You're exhausted. You're carrying what I call the invisible backpack. It's this weight you just can't seem to put down. And here's what's so frustrating. You've tried all the right things, and I get it. I did it too. The deep breathing, it helps, but only for a few minutes. The meditation, it feels impossible because your mind just can't quiet down. And those positive affirmations, they bounce right off because there's a deeper inner voice inside saying, yeah, right. Sound familiar? I want to share with you the thing that changed everything for me. And it's understanding that anxiety is not a character flaw. It's not something that's broken that needs to be fixed. Anxiety is actually wise. It's misunderstood, yes, but it's wise. It's a part of you, and it really is doing its best job to try to keep you safe. I want you to think about this. Anxiety is your nervous system's alarm system. And if that alarm keeps going off, it's not because the alarm is broken. It's because something deeper inside is telling it that it doesn't think that you're safe. This is why surface level solutions don't create lasting change. They're like putting a Band-Aid on a wound that needs deeper healing. You're not just managing your symptoms anymore. You need to address the root cause. Real healing happens when we stop fighting our anxiety and start understanding its language. This means 3 things. First, recognizing that anxiety often stems from old wounds, inherited beliefs, past experiences that taught your nervous system to stay on high alert. Second, learning to work with your nervous system, not against it. Your body holds the wisdom. We just need to learn how to tap in and listen. And the third is understanding that the calm you're searching for, it's not something you need to find outside of yourself. It's something to reclaim from within. In my work, I use specific tools like polyvagal theory and parts work. And these aren't just fancy terms. They're science-backed approaches, and they help you shift from survival mode to actually feeling safe and connected. I want you to imagine something for a second. Waking up without that constant hum of anxiety, trusting yourself deeply, and feeling genuinely calm and centered. Not because you've managed your symptoms, but because you've healed it from the root. This is possible. I've seen it happen over and over. And guys, I did this work on myself. One client even told me I'm a completely different person than I was before, and yet I'm exactly still me, just calmer and more enlightened. This path is not about fixing anything or fighting it for that matter. It's about becoming curious. It's about understanding what anxiety is trying to tell you and gently healing the parts of you that learn that they need to stay on guard for your benefit. I'm curious. What's one thing that you think your anxiety is trying to protect you from? Drop it in the comments below. Let's start a conversation about this. If what I'm sharing resonates with you and you're ready to move beyond just managing your symptoms of anxiety, I want you to know about something I created. I call it the Calm Code, and it's an 8-week journey. And in it, we're going to go deep into understanding anxiety, befriending your nervous system, and reclaiming an inner sense of safety and peace. We cover everything: understanding trauma, generational patterns, learning the language of the nervous system, and working with the different parts of ourselves that hold on to anxiety. This isn't another program about breathing techniques, though we will cover practical tools too. This is about understanding yourself at a deeper level, creating lasting change from the inside out. Remember this: your anxiety is not your enemy. It's been working overtime to protect you. It deserves compassion, not criticism. And that healing you're looking for, it's possible. I am the first person to tell you it can work because I struggled for so long. And for me, it started with understanding that I wasn't broken. You're ready to reclaim the calm that's always been within you. And if this has helped, I want you to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content about healing anxiety from the inside out. And if you want to learn more about the Calm Code, the link is in the description below. You deserve to feel genuinely calm and centered, and that's just not too much to ask for because it's your birthright.